Hello girly pops and welcome back to my channel. So you're probably wondering, Isabella, this isn't your usual setup. You probably weren't wondering that at all. As some of you may know, on TikTok I am not known as Isabella or Bella. I am known as Midnight Snack Girl or Caterpillar Cake Girl. So I thought, if that's what I'm known as, might as well just keep going with it. Do you know what I mean? Clout is clout at the end of the day. So basically today I thought, I've had corn and Caterpillar Cake many times for my midnight snack, but have I ever made my own Caterpillar Cake for my midnight snack? And the answer is no, I haven't. I've tried every Colin and the Caterpillar there is. Curly from Tesco, Wiggles from Sainsbury's, Cubit from Aldi, but have I made my own? The answer's no. So that is what we're doing in today's video for my midnight snack tonight, girls. I'm making my own Caterpillar Cake, so if you like the sound of that, comment down below, like, subscribe. It's also my sister's birthday today, so this is kind of like an excuse to make her a cake. Hopefully it goes well. Anyway, let's get into the video. So, if you want to make your own Caterpillar Cake, this is what you will need. Brownie mix. I know, questionable, but we'll get to it. Betty Crocker, or any type of chocolate icing, or any sort of confetti. I personally went for red and pink heart confetti shapes because my Caterpillar Cake is going to be a bit girly. And then I got multicoloured balls, shaken balls. I say balls. Is it balls? Balls. Ball, balls. Also guys, I say very instead of very. I never go b, I go very bad, very. It's really weird on your tongue. Anyway, 1 medium egg, not 2. Sha. My hair is annoying me. I feel like I look really feral with this long hair. Do you ever get that where your hair is just so long you're just like, chop it all off? Or is that just me? Any sort of coloured icing that you want your Caterpillar to be. I personally went for pink. White moulding icing, and you can make the eyes yourself, but I thought ready-made eyes, quick and easy. Come on, let's get into it. So first off, you'll also need a big ass bowl. So I spoke to my mum and she said the brownie mixture, even though I read a recipe, isn't going to work. So what I'm going to do is use the brownie mixture, but also use this remaining cake. It is my sister's birthday cake, so hopefully she doesn't kill me after this. But we're going to use some of that cake mixed with the... It's going to work. I'm going to show you what I mean in a sec, but oh, that's good. So the whole idea of using brownie mix is you put it in the baking tray, cook the brownie mixture, and then you cut out circles in the brownie, and then once you have your multiple circles you stack them, and apparently it's meant to make like a caterpillar shape. So that is what we're trying to achieve here, gals. So boys and girls, we've got our 6 pieces of brownie and we've got our Thornton's cake, and what I'm going to do is chop these into circles. Do you know what I might do? Chop them into circles, and with the remaining residue of the sides, mush together and make another circle. And then basically, so it's going to be like this. Circle. Circle on the bottom, cake. Circle, cake. So, do you see what I'm doing? So let's get circling. I love brownies. It's 11:30. I haven't slept. My eyes hurt. Come on, let's do this. Wake up, Hanky.
Oh, mate.
That is not a circle. Oh, I can press it down.
Clever thinking, Isabella. Jojo better appreciate this, because although I wanted this for me, I'm also kind of making it for her birthday. So she better, even though her birthday is finished in half an hour, that's not a circle, but it will do. It's kind of working. Do you see the vibe? So, brownie, cake, yeah, icing. Oh my god, it's coming together. So, how's everyone doing on this fine Sunday evening? I hope it's going well. I hope you guys aren't stressed about school starting. I know I would be. Honestly, the thought of it, sends shivers down my spine. Also, I recommend praying every night before you go to bed. So whatever spirit, God, religion you believe in, really does wonders for the soul, mind and spirit. It just makes you realise how blessed we all really are. So although school is dreadful, you're getting an education. And many people would want an education, do you know what I mean? You've got to see the good in everything. Got our circles, so now it's time for the cake bit. Now my sister is either going to beat the shit out of me, or she's going to be like, oh my god Isabella, that's such a good idea. I'm taking a big chunk of her Thornton's birthday cake. I'm just going to take this much. She won't mind if I take that much. It's not that bad. Guys, we're getting somewhere! Ah! Although it's not going to be, it's not going to be a very long caterpillar cake. I just clocked. Wait, and also, how am I going to stick them together? Fuck. What we're going to do is get the circled brownie, slather it in icing, and put the cake on top. Smother that brownie in icing. Done. I actually can't even put into words how shit this is.
I told you, I gave up.
Think that stop eating sugar. Guys, this kind of works. So we're rolling this pink shoot.
No, Prissy, you can't go outside because you'll poop on the first grass. Mom doesn't want you to do that.
Ah, we're getting somewhere.
Getting somewhere.
Oh, baby, I love
You every day.
Girls, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm fed up. I hate this. I can never do anything remotely okay. So here she is. Now we're gonna do the face. Are you ready to watch this monstrosity? What I'm trying to do here, I need to get up a photo. Calling the caterpillar cake face. What I am trying to achieve, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but you know the white, it kind of almost looks like a bunny. So it's got ears and it's got big eyes, but the eyes, we're not gonna do the brown eyes, we're gonna use these.
Oh, the ears and the chocolate buttons.
Yeah, good thinking. Can I get on mould? I feel like if I had practice, I'd actually be quite sick at this. Don't you think? What? So ugly and ill right now.
Maybe it's because you have your hood on like that.
I still look ugly and ill. If I took my hair down and tried to look nice, that's even worse, Tallulah. I need sunglasses. Slide right there. Am I see? Thanks, bro.
You're welcome, bro. A man always doesn't help out another man.
Oh my god, yes.
Why did you do that?
Because I'm dying right now, this light and everything. Hey. Now it's time to make the ear. We're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna go.
We're just gonna wing it.
Oh my god, fuck. This kind of works.
We're just gonna wing it.
Someone make me a mold cake. Someone put me on fucking Cake Boss. Look at that.
What's cake for?
Look at that. You need to ice that so it sticks on it. Priscilla, can you shut the frick up? I'm sick of it.
It's just a dog.
Sick of your stupid behaviour, mate.
Wow. Talking to a puppy like that.
We're gonna ice.
She knows how bad him, doesn't she? Come here, Bubba.
She's not a puppy.
Come here.
Of age. I do love my dog, by the way, guys. We just have a love-hate relationship. Very toxic.
No!
Hey, don't talk to her like that.
Why? She needs to hear it from Big Daddy.
Yeah, she doesn't care when you do this. No! No! Come here, Baba.
Hold the fuck up! Tell me that isn't.
Show them from the back.
And what? Mum's gonna tell me. Oh my god, my eye!
Oh my god. I want an eye.
I see you, biggly biggly.
What? Pure sugar. Did you just like
Wait, that shit's sick.
I want to see. Show me blood.
Okay, wait.
You won't be my lover. Don't tell me you ate all the chocolate button.
This is what we've got.
Yeah, but
Now we're gonna make the face. Because you just need to
they can't see it. See?
dig.
Stop drawing.
Dig. Yeah, you can. Like so. And then you're going to get some
Get a
pink
heart.
clay.
No, get the heart.
No, get some pink clay and make it look like a tongue.
Why did you have this idea? I know you're a caterpillar cake girl, but this has gone too far, isn't it? But you'd be kind of brown.
Now for the final touches.
You don't appreciate me.
What do we do?
Edit tear marks on the screen.
Right now, guys, this is alien cute. So we're just kind of digging. Jojo's gonna love this. Am I right?
Am I right?
We're gonna take it up to her room in a sec, and she's gonna love it. So I'm just gonna.
Beautiful. Yes, they catastrophe.
Oh, we need the feet. It says right. She pronounces the G in right, so she goes, yeah, alright, heard it. Comment down below that she's weird.
Comment down below that I'm not weird.
Comment, bully her in the comments so she stops saying reggae. Oh guys, fuck, I've got low battery. This is the final outcome of the caterpillar cake. Give it a little
cinematics.
So now we are going to go show Jojo the magnificent design. I'm gonna film it on my phone because I've got low battery. Okay, let's go show Jojo her cake. She's probably gonna be asleep because it's 12 o'clock at night. We're gonna wake up a prank. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jojo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. This is your own caterpillar cake. How do you think it's? Yay!
This looks a wee bit scary.
Oh, you might want to look at the back of it a little bit like that. I made a little butt face.
Guys, it's really ugly, but I really appreciate it.
She's a shorty but a fatty. She's my little pool thing, you know?
You can't say that.
Why can't I say that? What?
I don't know if I'm gonna eat. Right, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you even fancy it, give it a subscribe. Click the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks, guys. Like, comment.
Isabella and Tallulah have just brought
Boy!
Bye. You're not gonna eat it?
I'll have some tomorrow. I have already had some nice cake.
You're not gonna fucking eat it?
No, I was asleep, man.
All of that hard work. Do you know how long I've been down there?
Oh, it's not
actually a cake, it's
You're not even gonna nibble it.
brownie.
It's cake and brownie slammed together.
Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna get fucking salmonella.
In my nightmares though.
Huh? She's my little fatty. She's my little pull thing.
Keep it
Try it. Try the butt.
Please ignore what I look like.
Oh my god.
The textures
It's a little hard.
She's gonna try, guys.
Eat
Eat it. Good, right? Yummy. It looks so dirty. If you recreate this lovely caterpillar cake, make sure to tag me in your photos.
How are you eating that, Tallulah?
And carry on eating midnight snacks.
Right.
Bye, guys.
Bye, thank you.
It's delicious.
Are you actually? I think it's fair that I have to try and slice the caterpillar.
So hard. I have a wobbly tooth and it almost took my tooth out. Nice and hard, right?
Yummy. My little pumpkin.
I didn't make any of it.
Oh, God.
Can you move out of the way and make it come out?